Welcome back, folks. Today we are diving into the murky waters of journalism to uncover what it doesn't exactly encourage. Strap in, it's going to be a wild ride. Journalism, the fourth estate, and the watchdog of society. But hey, it's not all the sunshine and rainbows. Let's talk about what's not encouraged. While it might sell the papers of rack up clicks, good journalism doesn't thrive on sensationalizing every little detail. So next time you see our headline screaming, "Aliens among us," maybe take it with a pinch of salt. Sensationalist reporting often exaggerates and sensationalizes events, distorting the truth and misleading the audience. This can undermine the credibility of journalism, erode public trust, and contribute to misinformation and misunderstanding. Moving on, bias. Now, this is a tricky one. Journalism should be about presenting the facts, not pushing an agenda. But let's face it, bias sneaks its way into even the most reputable outlets. So, dear viewers, always read between the lines. It occurs when a journalist or media outlet presents information in a way that favors a particular perspective or viewpoint, often at the expense of objectivity and fairness. Now, those tempting headlines that promise the world but deliver a tiny pebble. Clickbait might get those views, but it's a shortcut journalism that can do without it often uses sensationalist or exaggerated language, teasing the content without fully delivering on the promised information. Clickbait aims to generate high click-through rates by exploiting curiosity or emotion, but it may ultimately disappoint users by not providing the expected value of relevance. Misinformation and disinformation. Misinformation. This refers to the false and inaccurate information that is spread without the intention to deceive. It can be the result of a genius mistake, rumors, or misunderstandings. Misinformation may be shared unknowingly or unintentionally, but it still has a potential to mislead and harm the audience by spreading false beliefs and causing panic.
Disinformation. Unlike misinformation, disinformation is deliberately created and spread with an intention to manipulate or influence public opinion. It is often propagated by individuals, organizations, or governments to advance their own agendas, sow discord, or undermine trust in institutions. But both misinformation and disinformation pose significant challenges to journalism and society as a whole. And last but not the least, plagiarism. Yep, the copy-paste approach might save time, but it's a big no-no in the world of journalism. Originally, folks, it's the spice of life. Plagiarism is when someone uses someone else's ideas, words, or work and presents them as their own without giving proper credit or acknowledgement to the original source. It's essentially stealing someone else's intellectual property and passing it off as your own. So, there you have it, folks. Journalism isn't just breaking news. It's about integrity, truth, and a whole responsibility. Remember, stay curious, stay critical, and always demand the truth.
Until next time, stay informed.